Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the word go. Go is a verb or an action word. It means whenever we move from one place to another, we travel, or when we start something. Let's find the word go on our devices. On Word Power 60 Basic from Sotillo, go is a green word.
Go.
On Lamp Words for Life, the app on an iPad, go is with the frog.
Go.
On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, go is a green word.
Go.
Alright, now let's use our word go for different functions of communication. I could say, I go to Purple High School to state personal information. I could use the word go to share and show objects. I could say, this is my car. It goes fast. I could request an activity and say, I want to go outside and swing. We could use the word go to direct an action or give a command.
Go away.
I could relay past and future events by saying, I get to go to the zoo. We could use the word go to ask a question and ask for permission. Can we go to the movies? I could use go to take turns and direct an action. I could say, it's your turn. You go.